Morning. Just been cutting a lawn with my Makita 4-wheel mower, not the roller mowers. Cut a long story short, a couple of months ago I changed the height adjustment handle which is attached to the back wheels because it snapped. Since then I've been noticing it's pulling to the right. Just lately it started getting worse, a lot worse. So what I'm going to do now is go and find a customer's house, take it all apart, investigate it, see what's going on with it. The drive shaft runs between the two wheels at the back. Lifting the wheels off the floor, you can notice that it just isn't rotating on the right, which is basically forcing me to go around in circles, so I'm sort of fighting against it all the time. So let's get to the house, get it all apart and see what's going on. Well, as you can clearly see, as soon as I took the wheel off, you can see that the gear is off. There doesn't seem to be anything broken, it just looks like the lock pin, you can see, has came out of the shaft. So fingers crossed this should be straightforward and put back together, which is a bonus. Happy days. Well, it took a lot of persuading, but eventually I got the pin back in. You can see it's back in there nice and snug, but obviously found out what the problem is and God knows where it went. But once I put the gear on, you can notice right at the top here there's a circlip missing. It should be around the shaft there. See, better to take it off. But that's missing, so I'm not actually entirely sure where that's gone. So I'm going to have a look around in the van, just in case. But if not, I'm going to have to go and find one. Get myself down Garden Machines and buy one, so nothing I can do about it. Well, I didn't find the circlip. Wasn't expecting to find it anyway, because all the crap was in my van. So I'm going to have to go to Garden Machines, and which is not far away from me anyway, it's only down the road. So I have to go to Garden Machines, see if I can get one. It's about 12mm circlip, I'm pretty sure they are. Whether they hold it and stuff or not for that machine, I'm pretty sure it's universal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to crack on and do some work here whilst I'm at the garden, and then I'll head down there and see how much they are. So let's do some work. Okay, just arrived at Garden Machines, so let's go in and see if they've got a circlip for me. I'm not going to take the camera in there because people could be funny, so fingers crossed, we can get one. If not, we'll move on to the next place. Well, Garden Machines weren't much help at all. Excuse my hands. I'm not going to blame them. Don't know whether to blame them or Makita really. I'll probably blame Makita. I love them to bits, but at the end of the day, getting parts for the lawnmower, it's like rocking all shit. It takes weeks and weeks to get here. So I think what I'm going to do now is I'll probably just go to my local B&Q or something and just have a look, see what circlips there are. It's about 12mm, but I might head over the other side of town to a mate of mine, Steve, who runs his own mower repair shop out in a village. So I'll get one, I'm sure, but let's head over there, see him. He's probably got millions of them lying around, so have a cup of tea and a chat and hopefully fix me mower. So let's get over there.
Can you hear my heartbeat calling? Can you feel the love we're falling? Just take my hand and take me home tonight. rushing to it. I'll take a chance and let you in. Just take my hand and take me home tonight. We defeat all impossibilities. Yeah, you and me will take our hearts
Steve the Legend, he's got a whole box full of circlips, and I'm pretty sure one's going to fit. It's just starting to rain, so I'm going to go and grab the circlip, make sure it fits, and then try and get back on. Right, wheels back on, circlips on. Let's test it. Good old Steve, lawnmower's all fixed. He's a handy person to know. Yeah, it was just circlip, 12mm circlip, all done now. So never underestimate the power of a circlip, because I was just mowing round and round in circles, and I could have done damage to the other side of the mower. So don't really want to. I know it's my little Makita mower. I use it for mulching around in the gardens. Got me fine lawnmowers, which I tend to take a bit more care of because they're a lot more expensive. So yeah, moral of the story is, look after your stuff, especially circlips. But good old Steve, cheers mate, nice one, and thanks for watching. See you soon, bye.